Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix your Wi-Fi icon into your Windows 11 or 10. I already made a video about this, but someone or some people commented on that video that their problem is not fixed properly. For that, I made another video to fix this problem with some tips and tricks. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So we will apply a very easy method to fix your Wi-Fi icon problem. For that, I will go for the toggle airplane mode. Very simple, just come over your taskbar setting and you will find airplane mode over here. If you now click on that and if you wait for 10 seconds and then click to disable it, your Wi-Fi icon will be showing into your taskbar like mine. And if your problem is not solved yet, then go for the next tips. So now we will go for the check network adapters. Very simple, just come over your search icon and search for view network connection. You can see it's about in the control panel. So if you now click on that, this kind of windows will be pops up and you can see here is our Wi-Fi. And if your PC it is disabled like mine, you can see, then you just need to come over here and click on your right mouse button and you can see the enable option is showing over here. So if you now click on enable and you can see it's enabled and your Wi-Fi icon is now showing into my taskbar, and it also shows you into your taskbar. So if your problem is fixed on this method, then congratulations. But if it's not, then go for the next method. That is also very easy. Just come over here, search option over here and search for services. You can see here is your services, and if you click on that, your services window will be pops up. So now here we need to just search for WLAN auto, the WLAN auto, I would say. So just scroll down a little bit, and you will find over here called WLAN AutoConfig. You can see it's running in my background, right? But if your LAN AutoConfig is not running, then you just need to come over here, select it and click on your right mouse button and go for the properties. And then the properties section will be open up, and just here you just come over this startup type. If it's disabled or selected in automatic delayed start, then just select the automatic and now stop the services and then start it and click on apply and OK, and your problem will be solved. Or you can just go for your start and you can just restart your PC, and I think your Wi-Fi icon will be fixed. And if your problem is not solved yet, then we have number 4 method called network adapters in device manager. This is also very easy. So what you need to do, just come over your start icon, select on your right mouse button and go for device manager over here. You can also do it by go at search option and search for device manager. So the device manager is opened, and now you need to come over this network adapter section, open it, and you will find Intel R dual band wireless AC 8260. And if you can't find it, just come over your view section, and if you can see the show hidden devices, just click on that and this adapter will be shows up. And nothing you need to do, just click on your right mouse button and disable it. Click yes, and it's disabled. So if you can't find it, just don't be panic. Just come over your start icon, and if you restart your PC, then you can find it over here. But if you're finding it by like mine, then just select on that and just enable the device, and your problem will be solved. So I think your problem is solved, or you can fix, or you already fixed your Wi-Fi icon by these methods. And the last is apply default to BIOS. Well, it's very complicated. Also, it's very easy, but I think for the BIOS section, we need a specific video. So if you want to know how to fix this into BIOS sections, then comment me down the video and I will make another video. So this is for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Tell me or comment me in the video that which methods works for you. Thank you so much for watching this video again. Hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.